Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids like water, herbal teas, or clear broths to stay hydrated and help regulate body temperature. Rest. Ensure plenty of rest to allow the body to focus on fighting off the infection causing the fever. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mix turmeric powder with warm milk and drink to help alleviate fever and boost immunity. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce fever. Drink ginger tea or add grated ginger to hot water with honey. Apple cider vinegar. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and sip slowly. Apple cider vinegar helps regulate body temperature and has antimicrobial properties. Basil leaves have antibacterial properties and can help reduce fever. Boil basil leaves in water, strain, and drink the liquid or chew on fresh basil leaves. Peppermint contains menthol, which has a cooling effect. Drink peppermint tea or apply peppermint oil to the forehead to help lower fever. Garlic contains compounds that can help boost the immune system and reduce fever. Eat raw garlic cloves or add them to soups and meals. Cool compress. Apply a cool compress to the forehead, wrists, and back of the neck to help bring down body temperature.